Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. After BTS member Kim Namjoon aka RM went live on Weverse earlier today, ARMY BTS fans couldn't hold back their excitement. The Korean boy band singer addressed mental health and his relationship status. When a fan mentioned that they miss Bangtan, he said, "I do too," adding, "I felt devastated and so tired of all those stuff." RM also hinted at his solo project saying, "I am actually getting ready for something new." BTS fans stormed the social media with clips from his video. This comes after BTS member V's live session on Weverse after attending Lil Uzi Vert's after party with Namjoon also commented on his session while V replied enthusiastically. Several photos from the party went viral on social media. Following Namjoon's live session, fans took to X, formerly Twitter, to express their thoughts. One user shared a clip, in which he revealed his relationship status. When fans asked him to introduce them to his girlfriend, the BTS star said, "I really want to but I have none right now." He humorously asked fans to introduce him to one. Several fans expressed their love and admiration for the band's leader. One ex-user said, "I love him, he's a lifesaver." One more fan wrote, "The way Namjoon always comes whenever I have the hardest of days and I am close to breaking down completely. He really is my comfort place." What do you think? Write in the comment section. See you in the next video.